How to uninstall Ring. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove this app. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically, we're in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Here on the bottom, there's a button called uninstall. Simply hit on uninstall. Now before doing so, make sure you have your user ID and password saved, because if you want to reinstall it, you might need it. At last, hit on OK. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the app is completely gone from my mobile device. You're all set to go now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.